What's up, Style Clan? We out here, and today we're gonna be unboxing some Adidas shoes. Let's hit it. So, guys, it came in this package, and we wanna check this out. Open it up and see what's in. So, guys, the box is right here, and we got the top and all of that. So we are gonna be unraveling this, and we're gonna see what's up. Here's the box, guys, and we're gonna be unhinging this right now. So first we have to unhinge it, and two Adidas box. One's for me, one's for my brother. So I'll take one of them out. I'll make sure to check the sizes. All right, here is my box. Now we'll just take this out. Here it is. Now we're going to open this. Ooh! Guys, it's the black tubulars. I love them. Alright, guys, you know, these are the Adidas tubulars. And thank you guys for watching, and peace! Psych, that's not the end of the video. I have one more thing to show you. So let's go up to where I can see it. And here we are. It's my brother's room. What? Let's get out of here. Let's go to my room. Whoop. How'd I get in my sister's room? Time to go to my room. My room. Okay, finally in my room, and it's time to show you one more thing. Well, not gonna show you, but definitely tell you. So, as you might know, Christmas is coming up pretty soon. I mean, pretty soon, in a month, 10 days. It's coming out pretty soon, and that video is gonna be lit because I'm hoping to get something really cool. So if you guys watch that video, you'll be surprised. It'll be awesome what you're gonna find. So make sure to watch that video when it comes out. But right now, thank you guys for watching, and peace.